All right, I just got a flat, guys. I don't know which tire it is. In fact, I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see. Look at that right there. There it is. All right, today we're gonna bring a portable air compressor, and this is perfect timing because my tire is flattening out right now. It needs a couple of compressions of air, so we're gonna set this up right now. But before we do that, I just want you to see the whole package itself. They give you actually a carrying bag with the instructions, a charging station which you charge it to your lighter, or a type A to type C, and every single accessory you're going to require for any other devices, bikes, soccer balls, many inflatable devices. And they even give you a fuse because this thing has a fuse here so it won't burn out. And of course they give you the line itself. Orange goes to orange. All right, very simple basic instructions out of the box. So let's go ahead and test it out because we need some air. Let's pump this up. Pumping is very simple. I'm going to show you how to set this up first. Right now we're not going to use any extensions or anything because it's automatically out of the box. We're going to make sure we have enough air, and the way you find out, check your lining of your tire to find out how much pressure you require. Right, so right now we're going to turn it on by holding the button down. All right, and this also has charging station, so you could charge your other devices, not just to pump air, but to change it, to take it with you camping or hiking, and to charge other devices, even inflatable beds. LED lights included too. And you got your instructions are simple. You got your minus, your plus, your cycles, and then also your lighting. All right, your light turns on, very simple. One LED light, SOS, and then turn off. Cycles, right now we have a bike for bike. We got a motorcycle, 32, car, 36, and then of course we have basketballs, which is 9, and then of course back to bike. So we're gonna use car, that's where 36. All right, bump it up here, make sure the air, it's already connected. All right, if you guys can see connected. It's 30 right now. It's telling you it's 30. So this is a tire one. So you hit air, and you just gotta let it run. I'm gonna let you see it loading up. So as you can see, automatically it stopped. All right. So we're gonna take this off. We changed it to 34 instead of 35 because it's gonna inflate later on in the night or in the day when it gets hot. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.